मैं पिछला सीन है। Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Please show a thumbs up if I'm audible. And can you see my screen? This paper? Okay, fine. So without delay, we will start. And before starting class, I just want to tell you about that now our next class is going to be held on 18th. Okay. And on 13, we kept a very special class to cover up that class which we skip on day of Karwa Chauth. That is basically for junior and senior, but the art form which we are going to pick up is a sticker kind something. So if you want to be part of that, you are most welcome for that. Okay, and after that, we have our next class on 18th. Okay. Yeah, ID or password. And this is ID and password of the class, which we are going to have on 13th of November. Okay, 2 to 4. And this is ID. Password is 05 times. You can please note it down. Okay. And yeah, or you can take click of this. And yes, please be part of that. It is, you're going to enjoy the special batch. And today's class, as we will be winding up our today's work by today only, I decided to teach. Yes, I decided to pick up an art form which we can finish today only and see what that. So today I decided some very antique kind of alpana. In Hindi we call it dehari. Dehari, it means that gate, main gate which we have to that entrance, the entrance where we make rangoli, that is called dehari. and it's considered that on special occasions, on special ceremonies, we just put beautiful rangolis and some very beautiful patterns. And this you can try with enamel colors. Yes, your paintbrush and enamel colors at place of purchasing stickers from market. You can try this kind of things in front of your tulsi kyari and a tulsi ka pot which we have in front of your puja ghar, on entrance, or just near your mattress inside. So a very beautiful freestyle work which we will be painting with paintbrush. After making this basic design, you can try it anywhere, and you can try it with paint colors, or you can fill it with flower petals. You can fill it with sand colors, natural colors like mehendi, haldi, atta, and all. So these all different things we can do. So let's get started. Okay, and for this we are going to use mirror technique. Okay, for mirror technique, what you will be doing, you will take your drawing sheet or any paper like this and you will fold it from center. Okay, yes, even you can make this kind of cutout. The artwork which we are going to learn today, you can make cutout of this kind and do pasting at place of purchasing ready-made stickers. And for making it looking more appealing and outstanding, you can put pasting, do pasting of mirrors, sparkles, sequences. Even you can make cutout of sandpaper. When you take sandpaper, make cutouts and do pasting, it exactly give impact of sand colors. And this kind of portable rangolis you can make and use whenever you want. Okay. So see, this is my center line. And the crease, press it nicely for getting deep impression. Okay, and use sharp pencil so that when you will make line, you will get deep impression backside. So pencil should be sharp. Otherwise, I always suggest to take blunt pencil because the lines are easy to erase. But today, take sharp pencil so that the impression will be clear. Okay, and see, I will start picking this side. If you're taking drawing file, the outer side you will start making. Okay, let's get started. This is A3 size. A3 size is available in two sizes. This is standard A3 and this is slightly smaller than that. So you can try it on any. And if you don't have A3 size, you can try it on A4 also. Okay. Yes, now I will be making a beautiful pattern for you. What I'm going to do, this middle line I will be making this middle line with pencil. It will be clear for you to understand. Okay. Yes. Here. From here, I will touch this line and make this kind of shape. Okay, it's a curved shape. From here, I extend the line. Yes, let's get started. Okay, this is C. Okay, and here I will be just making this. I'm making peacock, okay? Alpana, which is completely based on peacock. And peacock is considered most pious, holy bird. And on special occasions, they use peacock feather. Lord Krishna wear peacock feather on head. So peacock always looks good for making this kind of rangolis. So see what I did. This is a shape of C, which is touching this center line. Okay, and from here I extend line. It's looking like J. Okay, now here, just make a line parallel. Okay, this is a thoda sa aur bada ho sakta hai. Little more big. Closer view. Little more closer. Bas. Yes. Okay. Yes. I just make this line and from here I will be making. And see, using this technique, every technique, see, this is S. If I compare with letter, it is S. Okay. S for sun. Okay, freehand design we will be making. And these 2 points. Okay, I'm repeating. I just fold my paper. I've got this center line. I draw this kind of curved shape. Okay, I just draw one more C to give a shape of face. Okay, a long neck and C shape. Sorry, S. In S, this upper portion is big, lower is small, and it has given a shape of body. And now from here, these 2 points, draw a small V. Small V. And a big V. Yeah. Okay. If you want to make it downwards, if you feel that, no, I want to show it downwards, so you can make it downwards also. Okay. You can just bend the neck. Okay. If you feel that you want to show this bird is looking down, so you will just shift its beak this way. I think this downwards position will look better. And to just shift beak downwards. Okay. This posture is looking more sophisticated. And here, just lines, because here we are going to do our work with directly paintbrush. Okay. We will be doing it directly with paintbrush. Yes. Make this. And from here, simple curved shape. Simple curved shape. Okay. Yes. And I just want to show this bird is sitting on a branch. Okay. First, let's very simple. Okay. If you want to show it sitting, if you feel like to show it sitting posture, you can just change. I just want to go for very simple folk art style. Okay, so this, I will be going for a branch from here. Okay. One more branch. You can show a curved line from here. Okay. Yes. And I will be showing, see this branch. So see this branch is going from here. Okay, so this line which is coming in body, we will not make. This branch of, we will be showing here. Okay, show this face. And leaves and everything we will be learning, doing with watercolors directly. Enamel paint you will be using if you want to make this design on floor. Okay, and here for peacock's feather, curved line, it's simple J for jug. Slanting line, curve. Okay, slanting line, curve. If I compare it to letters, it is looking like J. J for jug, right? Slanting line, curve. Slanting line, curve. Okay. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be feathers. This is branch. Okay. This is trunk of tree from which branch is going. Okay. Yes. We will not forget I. Big C shape. And big eyeball. Okay. Simple. And the crown of this peacock, we will be doing directly with paintbrush. Okay. If you want to make this half peacock on one side of your door, half on one side of door, and you want to write Shubh and Labh here, you can do that ways also. One peacock this side, one, and you can make it decorative by using sparkle, stones, waste discarded jewelry can also be used. Okay. Phone is coming. Okay. Yes. Now, after doing this, yeah, sure. Please, all of you. Rotate करनी है, position rotate होनी है. Okay, please, I just want to check once how the work is going on. Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay, and you will see using mirror technique, you will exactly copy it on opposite direction. Okay, and this mirror technique is very, very useful for very many patterns, especially for this kind of ornamental designs. Very nice. This kind of big, this is a very small cutout. This kind of wall hangings also looks great. So you can try this kind of big wall hangings for your wall pieces. You can just paste. Okay, now what we are supposed to do? I will be making each and every line dark. Now see what I'm doing. I'm moving my pencil on same lines with lots of pressure. And when I will put lots of pressure, what is going to happen? You will be able to see the impression. Okay, see, quite close, you can see the line. And a S shape you must be watching. So this kind of impression you will get on backside. Okay, so let's get started. And this very simple figure we have made with few lines, because all detailed work we are going to do with watercolors. Okay. See, each and every line, I'm moving my pencil with lots of pressure. This ways, I will be making all lines dark. Okay. Yes. Although we can try the same with freehand also, but this technique will make our work easy, quick, and perfect. We will be getting on the second side exactly like this with less efforts. Okay. So for the kinds of designs which are very similar on both sides with symmetry, we use this technique. This is also a drawing technique and it is called doing mirror. Okay. We just mirror the image. Okay. Yes. And this trunk of tree. Now see this complete drawing. I move my pencil very dark. You also do the same. Okay. And because of this only we use sharp pencil. so that when we move, we will put in pressure, we will get deep impression on backside. Okay. And now after doing this, finish it. Finish it. Yeah. Make designs very carefully. Take your own time. It's a very simple design, basic design. Okay. And suppose you feel that the peacock on floor, if you want to make, so you can just make this kind of cutout on paper, cut and just take marking, because rest everything you're going to do with paintbrush. On floor also, if you're making this kind of designs. And enamel paint, it lasts for 1 year. And even if you are just wiping it out, so it stay like that only. So it's very good. Enamel paint for if you want to make designs or chalk or this kind of things on floor. Okay. Now see, after making this design, when I will fold, I will be showing it's from close distance. You can see the lines. The lines of impress. So what I'm going to do, I will be moving my, in my studio, light is very bright. I will have to just to see the impression. I will have to keep it this way. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I will finalize lines. I fold paper. I'm showing it again. I fold paper. And now I'm moving my pencil exactly on line which are peeping out. Okay. When I keep this way, you won't be able to see because of lots of light coming from upwards. I'm just slightly holding it this way, because this way I'm able to see that complete impression. Okay. Yes, this ways. Okay. And if you feel that few lines are missing, so you can do one thing, you can come in front and make them line dark. If you feel that these lines are not clearly visible, so you can do that ways also. Okay. Yes, see, I'm exactly by holding my page this ways, I'm able to see my lines properly. Okay. And with lots of pressure while moving I'm moving my pencil with lots of pressure. Then only I will see legs. Legs I didn't highlight now. So I'm not able to see legs backside. I will be making them little more dark. Okay. And now, yes, they are very clear now. Okay. Yes. You can see I just completed figure and I will be showing, see the impression. Okay. This impression I got. Okay. This kind of impression you will get. See, very light impression. It's very clear. You must be watching this. When I press, move my pencil exactly over figure, I get this kind of impression, light impression. Okay. And this light impression will help me a lot in making the shape exactly similar. After getting this kind of light impression, I will move my pencil over and finalize. Okay. Yes. I will be finalizing lines as I showed you just now. My lines are very clear now. And see, effortlessly, I will be getting exact shape which is here. Effortlessly. Otherwise, maintaining symmetry needs lots of stability of hand. But here I'm able to do because I use a technique. There are many techniques in drawing, using which even one who is average or below average in artwork can do very great and refined work. One of them is enlargement. We will be learning that also. And enlargement is a kind of technique using which you can make any portrait, any artwork, you can copy as it is. Yes, enlargement is something very helpful. And very soon we'll be learning that also, okay? See, this is ready, okay? Yeah, this impression was left. I didn't take it backside. And because of this only, I didn't get it in front. Okay, this impression of branch. Which is coming from here. Okay, I just took impression and see here also, I get the impression. Okay, see, this is exactly the impression. After getting it, you will complete your work this way. Okay, yes, now you can see this beautiful, it seems as if it is a pair of birds sitting together. Okay, yes. Yes, take impression and finalize. And see, if you are making it on floor, in that case, you can use white also. In my artwork, I will avoid white. Otherwise, normally Alpina and this kind of work looks great with white and red. White enamel paint. Yeah, see from where, repetition from backside. I will be showing what I did. I draw this side. Afterwards, I draw lines dark and then I fold my paper. Okay, and back side on the impression of lines, because when I move my pencil dark now, I get impression backside. On exactly on those impression, I move my pencil again. So what will happen? Yeah, we will get lovely impression. As you can see here in artwork of Shreya, I can see it's absolutely right. Wonderful. And all of you please show, yes, this is that miracle which happens when we use this, okay? Yeah. Yes, poster colors. Right now you can use any water solid and you all have done it really wonderfully. And you can try any kind of design, any ornamental design you can try. And this is a beautiful, very helpful technique, not only for making this Rangoli patterns, but many other patterns also. Okay. So I will come back to my work. Okay. And now what we are supposed to do? We will take our round brush, container with water. Okay. I will be taking my round brush of 8 numbers with synthetic here. And see, when I'm repeating, when you will be doing it on floor, you can use white. White and red looks great. Green, you can give touch up of green and other colors also, but white and red, it looks very traditional and very beautiful. And these two color combinations looks great. Now I'm picking up my round brush. Okay, round brush with synthetic here, and it is 9 number brush. You can also pick up. Okay, and see, I will start with blue. I will start with blue. Okay. Yes. Okay, so let's get started with blue. And before starting, I just want to tell you that what technique we are going to use. All of you just see. Okay, don't do it now, just see. How I'm going to do, I will dip my brush in water, remove extra water. Okay, I don't want water, lots of water, so I will remove it. Now see, flowers, how we will be making this branch. And see this, I took brush, okay. Now see, on a paint brush, I will start rolling. I will roll it like this. Okay, my complete paint brush should be filled with, yeah, roll it like this. Water is in my brush, very limited. And see how we will be making. You will press. Okay, you will press and then slowly you will drag. Press, drag, press, drag. This ways we will be making. Or if you won't feel that this is looking little difficult, you can simply press and roll. Press and just from top give a curve. This can also be used. Okay. Yes. So let's get back to our work. And I will be starting with colors now. First of all, I want to make body of my peacock. Okay, so I will be using, see here, there is no foundation that you will be using pink or any color, as it is Rangoli pattern. Right? So what I will be doing, I will be going for outlines. As we are learning a kind of sticker, okay, limited water, okay, and thick colors. I will be making outlines with help of tip. Yes, and it is quite bold, because when you will be making on floor or somewhere, we don't want very minute lines. No, we want yes. This ways you will be completing. This ways I will be giving outlines. Okay, one peacock with blue, one with other color. Feel free using any color anywhere. Okay, there is no foundation, and it's your choice if you feel like to fill it completely. If you want to decorate it with mirrors and stone, so colorful base will definitely look good. If you feel that no, I want to color it completely, you can do that ways also. Okay. Yes. Complete blue outlines, including beak. Okay. Yes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give just outlines on my lines with paintbrush. Okay. We are exactly following the method which you will be applying while making your design on floor. Okay, when you will be making your design on floor, you will go for outlines first. Okay, yes. Move blue. Yellow also look good in Alpna. White, red, yellow, green also will look great. Okay. See, I completed this peacock with blue. Okay. Yes. And same can be tried. First, we will start do one half, and then we will do the second half. Okay. Yes. So see what I did very carefully. I gave blue outline in peacock, not in this plant and this. This I want to show different, na? So I will be using green color here. Otherwise, this branch will get merged with peacock. So just to show that this blue shape is peacock, I just applied blue outline. Yes. Okay, and earbuds also. Earbuds, we are also going to use earbuds also. Will make our work easy wherever we need dots. For making dots, earbud is best. Okay. And if you don't have proper brush, if you feel that you are finding it difficult to make stable lines with brush, go for earbud. Because in earbud, what you do, you just dip it in what color and just place it like pencil and you get even line. Without, in brush, you are supposed to handle it in air. When your hand shake, line can get disturbed, but earbud is best. If you feel that some lines, you want stable lines, so you can try earbud also while making it. Okay, now I will pick up yellow color. Pick up yellow color. Yellow. Yes. I will load my brush with yellow. Okay. And I will start, all of you see, this ways. I will place, all of you please see, and then you do. I will be giving you little close-up view. Little close-up view, and you can try different colors. In both peacocks, you can try. What I did, this is my round brush. What I did, I place and slowly, see, I place and slowly look at my paintbrush, the bristle off. I will slowly come on tip and join. I'll place, I'll drag and slowly come on tip. I'll place, while dragging, I will slowly come on tip. Okay, come on, start doing this because this we are going to use everywhere. This is the technique we are going to use everywhere. Okay, yes, please start doing yellow. Okay, I'm giving one more repetition because this technique we will be making everywhere for making feathers, for branches and all. Okay, I will be showing it on paper. See, I place, I drag, but slowly I pick up. See, I come on tip. Place, tip, place, tip. Okay, this way. Got it? Is this clear? Please show thumbs up if it is clear. Okay, fine. So this is the basic technique which we will be using while making Alpana or Lakshmi Pujan Rangoli, whatever. This is the basic thing with which you will be doing its filling. I just want to show my peacock's feather golden. And because of this only, I'm going to start with yellow. Upwards, a flower upwards, a flower here. Okay. Yes. And in same paintbrush, without washing my brush, I will take orange. In same paintbrush, I will take orange. And I will be making okay, this kind of flower. And here I will be making just simple leaves. Okay. Yes, come on, do. You will take little time, but when once the stroke is red earbud and Yes. Don't forget this corner. Okay. Yes. Simple floral. The technique is same, and with this only we will fill this complete pattern. Okay. Yes, keep doing slowly. I have this, as I can't use white, otherwise white, if the surface would be brown or what, so with white it comes out beautifully. As I can't use white, as a paper is white, so I will be using pink. And with earbud, this pink, I can add white also with this. I can just make patterns. Simple pattern. Okay. Yes. With earbud. Yes. Just surround eyes. Okay. As ornamental design, let's surround this complete peacock with eyes, till eyes. Yes. Okay. I will be mixing white and green, although green is very bright, but I just want to add little white. And you can take light green color also. It will look great. If you will start this, and if you want to make petals small, like this is 5 number round brush. So for small petals, you can try this also. Okay. I mixed these two colors. Okay. I load my brush and then I started with my feathers, peacock's feather. Okay. First, I will be starting this ways. Same technique is same. Okay. Yes. See this ways. Just place, slowly drag. Place, slowly drag. This ways. You will be going slanting. Okay. Keep doing. Initially, you will find little challenging, but gradually, see, gradually, my size of petal, see, size of petal will decrease. How? I will place my brush small. Okay. Don't place for bigger one, you will place it big. And I will start making my peacock's feather. Okay. Yes, let's continue. I will be making green and yellow. Okay. And gradually your size of leaves will decrease. And see, when it decrease, here please, I just want your attention for 1 minute. When you want to make big petal, you place your brush completely and then you drag. But when you want small petal, you will not place it completely, just tip and then drag. And for very small petal, just tip. So this is the way you will be getting big or small petals. Okay. When you will place it big, you will get big petal. For small, you will place it half. For very small, you will place tip only. Okay. As you can see here in this feathers, we are just changing the size of peacock's feathers. Okay. Yes. Okay. This branch. I will be showing this complete branch with green. Okay. And one feather I will be doing with yellow. Okay. Yellow, and the crown on head also I will be making with yellow. Okay, I will again pick up yellow color. And see here also. You can see this crown overhead. Okay, see this crown overhead. With yellow. And in this yellow, I will pick up red. And I will be making with earbud. Okay, with earbud, the second wings I will be making with earbud. Okay, red. Yes, this ways with earbud also you can finish. Okay, the second, in one you will be making leaves, and in other one you will be making dots with earbuds. Okay, this ways. Let's complete. You can pick up your own colors. You must be having different colors. You must be having fluorescent pink. You must be having different colors. You can try them also. Okay. Yes. And as I want to show my peacock feather, exactly like I will be making yellow dots. Yes, make yellow dots on this feather also. Okay. Yes. This yellow dot will give it exactly look like peacock feather. And last but not the least, in end, don't forget to make it round with yellow. Okay. Just to give it a complete touch of peacock feather. Very simple design, simple technique. Okay. And you can decorate each and every corner of your house using this technique. Okay. And here I can just outline as the line is. Yes, I will just finalize. And here I will be making some flowers because I want to show a floral, garden kind something. Okay, all over. You can even use earbud for making this. Okay, yes, let's make some lovely flowers using same technique. And you can see I'm not mixing many colors. Okay, simple flat coloring I'm taking because I'm exactly showing the style which you can make on floor or wherever you want to make rangolis with. Okay, red flowers. Some I will be showing like buds. Okay, yes. You can make them multicolored also. With earbud, I will be making the center. Okay. And I will be using this ways. We will complete. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. See, I used yellow ochre color for here. And same, I'm okay. Yes, let's finish and see using the same pattern. मैं आपको पता करके बताती हूँ और मैं देखिए आपको अपने नंबर से मैं WhatsApp करती हूँ. Okay, just connect it. Just connect it. Okay. Yes. How? This way. I will be finalizing the lines. Okay, along with a big flower in center. Okay, along with a big flower in center. Earbud impression can be used. If you feel that leaves are not coming proper, you can go for earbud impression. A line and earbud impression also gives a very, very beautiful effect for coloring. Okay, I will be making remaining leaves. Same technique. Okay, and the arrangement is absolutely traditional. Okay, you can see the simple red flowers, green leaves, and everywhere the technique of making leaves is same. Okay, a complete floral garden. Yes. With enamel colors or fabric colors, you can try them. At place of purchasing ready-made stickers, you can try this kind of self-made rangolis near your Tulsi Kyari, Thakurji's mandir. This kind of colorful rangolis always add beauty and brings positivity. Okay, you can see. Yes, okay. And last but not the least, a big flower in center. It can be of pink color, it can be of any other color. I will make with very positive one, and that is going to be red. Okay, I will be making a big flower.
या सर एक्चुअली क्या हुआ कि जैसे मेरे पास एनरोलमेंट आया है आपका और दूसरे नंबर से मतलब उन्होंने अपना डिटेल्स भेजी कि मैंने एनरोल किया है तो क्योंकि हमारे पास आपका ये नंबर रजिस्टर्ड है आपने ये वाला नंबर से मुझे दिया ना एनरोलमेंट जिस पे बात हो रही है मेरी तो इसलिए वहाँ पर कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो गया कि उनके पास में डिटेल्स कैसे आई जब उन्होंने एनरोल नहीं किया क्योंकि उनके पास तो कोई डिटेल्स नहीं थी मेरे पास है आपकी डिटेल्स सारी आपने मुझे क्यों एनरोल किया मेरे थ्रू तो इसलिए कंफ्यूजन हो गया.
Okay, this phase I will be making a big circle along with yellow dots in center. If you feel like to make big flowers all around, you can even try that ways. Okay. Okay. And if you feel like to fill any light color around inside, you can even do that ways. Okay, see, and this ways it is done. Eyes we can't leave like that, and even red is left in beak. Okay, yes. Eyes I will highlight with help of black.
नहीं कोई इशू नहीं है सर मैं आपको आपके नंबर पे तो मैंने लिंक फॉरवर्ड कर दिया है ऑलरेडी.
Okay. So this is the way we can make. You can just extend the creepers, you can make it more dense. And this kind of alpana, when you will make with your own hand, believe me, its output and the happiness which you will get when you will be making your own alpana this ways will make others appreciate you like anything. Okay, so let's make our own hand decorative stickers like this and rangolis like this, and this can be filled with flower petals, it can be filled with sand colors, it can be done with enamel paint. With enamel paint, if you make it, lasts for almost 1 year. So this is something very good which we can do with enamel paint. We can just decorate it more by putting some dots with earbud. Okay, and the only technique of making leaves which we used everywhere for making this, and same you will be doing on the second part. In this artwork, what we did, we learn mirror technique actually, how to do mirror, how to mirror any artwork, and secondly, using one stroke painting technique, we learn how we can make this kind of rangolis with enamel paint on coming Diwali. Yes, I just draw. Yes, continue. I can see you all are busy doing that. And see, few dots can also be made if you feel like to fill this part. Like here, suppose I want to do yellow. I can just continue with yellow here. Yes, it will also look good. You can decorate it as much as you can. Yes. This way is I will complete. And our alpana is ready. Okay, don't forget legs. Okay, So you can see using mirror technique, very easily we just took impression and maintain symmetry, and afterwards with outlines. And if you will be making it on floor, use white, red, yellow, green maximum, because the output of these colors on floor comes out beautifully. It looks great. We avoid use of white because our paper is white. Because of this only we were bounded to avoid white. But while making this kind of alpana and this kind of work, use of white means maximum lines you draw with white and it looks great. Okay. Yes, I just want to see the work, how it turned out. Please lift up your file. Yes, please lift up. Wow, it's unbelievable. Even you can see work of each other. You can see work of your friends. It is looking outstanding, lovely. And see, this is half. When you will complete now, you can display it. Even you can put one peacock this side, one that side. And for welcome, you can write at place of this big flower, you can write Shubh Labh. And this kind of two, and you can make 2-3 cutouts of this, paste it on cardboard, and you can arrange them in circular form on any form. And you can make portable rangolis also. Very beautifully done. Very nice. The strokes are very beautiful. Shabash, very good. Okay, and how work is left? Okay, so that is exactly like this only. Okay, exactly same ways. You can change color scheme also. If you feel like to change color scheme, you can do that also. So this was all about our today's artwork. Hopefully it will definitely help you out, making your Diwali special, making your Rangoli special. Sometimes we want to do, but we don't have design. We think about what design will look good. So now you're prepared with a lovely, more Mayur shaped design. And in front of Puja Ghar, in front of Tulsi Kyari. On entrance, you can put it. And in kitchen also, normally, according to traditional, they as Lakshmi, Annapurna Devi live in kitchen. So very small, this kind of pattern should be made on Dehri. Dehri, it means entrance, you know. So just to welcome Goddess Lakshmi and positivity. This colorful combination, what is it actually? This is actually, we are just inviting you. We are welcoming you. This is the way to welcome that positive energy in form of Goddess Lakshmi and Vishnu. Okay. Yes, and students, before winding up, I just want to tell you, on 13, we are going to cover up that class which we skip on Karwa Chauth. Okay, so this is from 2 to 4, this is ID, and 5 times 0 is password. Okay, so please try to attend this class. And these are our long-term plans. Okay, for Diwali special, those who want to learn for long, is it Diwali special long-term plan? Okay, where those who want to take 6-month plan, so at place of 6,000, they will be paying only 3,500. And this is for sub-junior, junior, senior, and super senior, all batches. And if you want to take for 12 months, you will get complete concession of 6,000 rupees. It means complete discount off. And we have limited seats just for 100 registration. First 100 registration, it is open, and then afterwards we will close. So if you're interested in long-term plans, please hurry. And this is WhatsApp number. You please WhatsApp on this number. Okay, and hopefully, because you all have done it very nicely, not only drawing, even the stroke, the petals and everything. And you can try any design. You can try parrot, you can try butterfly, you can try kalash, you can try lotus flower. See the petals this ways. Okay, in Alpana we use this kind of stroke for filling. Okay, so this is the basic thing which I wanted to teach you. Okay, how we complete it, what basic patterns we pick up. So these are those basic patterns we pick up, and you all have done it amazingly wonderful. Half part is left. Okay, so that you can finish with your desired color scheme. And with this, time is also up. So hopefully this class would be very helpful, isn't it? Please, if yes, please show thumbs up, and please show a great smile. Yes, you all looks great when you smile. Yes, so please try, make your Diwali special, make this kind of stickers everywhere. Although we are going to meet on 13, but still happy Diwali. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye. See, other peacock you can try with other color or same color. It's your choice. It's Rangoli. It means combination of colors. So you can try different colors. Means I love to go for different colors. Okay, so you can do that way. And with this, I'm winding up class. Bye-bye. Take care.